just before your eyes. Whispers gentle or voices loud. Poems can make you feel so proud. Pick up a pencil, let